There's a lot of good commercial vacuum cleaners out there, especially from Nacecare, that are reliable, quiet, efficient. But if you want all of that, plus the absolute best filtration you can get out of a commercial vacuum cleaner, you want to consider the Nacecare PPR320H. Now, the reason the 320H stands out is because of a couple of things. First of all, it's a EPA's lead Certified Safety Contractor program. Ask me what that is. If you're looking at this vacuum, there's a good chance you know better than me what that is. However, it's got something to do with contractors working on facilities like schools and daycares, and they're working with paint before, or removing paint, lead-based paints before 1978. Anyways, they need particular requirements to work in hazardous dust environments and make sure that the dust that they create doesn't leave the area and pollute the area. Well, this vacuum is going to do it. Not only that, it's got something called an H class. Now, what does that mean? That I know a little bit more about. It actually means that this vacuum will trap particles of 0.1 microns and lower, down to 99.995% efficiency. That's pretty cool. The reason it does that is because a particular filter in its head. Just as a point of comparison, let me show you a Nacecare or a Henry vacuum, because they're the same. This is a regular Henry vacuum, and this is the way they're set up. That's the motor. All right, and there is a Tritex filter, and the bag that you use, you get a Tritex filter and a very good quality HEPA flow bag. But the most of the action happens here. This vacuum's got this filter. You see, it says right here, H certified, H class certified. That means 99.95% of particle at 0.1 microns and lower. And it's all there. Just like all the other Nacecare machines, this vacuum enjoys the same qualities of a commercial vacuum cleaner that Nacecare vacuums are so known for, is because they're very simple machines. These are commercial vacuums, and they understand their market. There's so little electronics on these machines that there's chances, the fact that something would go wrong is so little, and that's the reason why they're so reliable. They have a motor, which actually is a 620 watt, very efficient motor. They have a switch, which is an on and off mechanical switch, basically on off. Very simple. And they have a cord mechanism. The cord mechanism, as a matter of fact, is manually rewinded. Right? The whole idea, again, is the fact that you don't get anything electronics. You don't want anything to go wrong. But not only the cord is manually rewinded, when you're using this thing in the middle of the night, when you send this machine out to a far away location, and for whatever reason, somebody cuts your cord, you don't have to worry about that. Not only the cord mechanism is manually rewound, it's also external. Unlike a lot of vacuums that have internal, cords, a lot of commercial machines, unlike a lot of commercial machines that have hardwired cords, these things have external cords, and it's just a plug. It's very easy. Now, this is a dry vacuum. If you really want to kill this machine fast, you pick up liquids with them. So as long as you don't do that, you really shouldn't have any issues with this machine at all. So those are the two things that make this one of our favorite vacuums. Okay. Now, accessories. This thing actually comes with accessories. It comes with an adapter, because you could use the accessories at the end of the wand or at the end of the hose. Now, I'm going to put that there. Dusting brush, which is actually a really nice dusting brush for a commercial vacuum cleaner. It does get an upholstery tool, and it also gets a crevice tool, right? All of these can be placed very neatly here. As a matter of fact, there is a wand dock, if you'd like to call it. I'm going to switch these because that always helps for you to neatly place your wand and hose on the vacuum, storing very nicely away. The connection on the hose is screw-on connection, so that's very nice. And this thing moves around like a dream, okay? All Nacecare vacuums do. This is not specific to this machine. They just follow you along real nice. They're lightweight. This thing is just about 15 pounds. They have really huge dirt capacity. The attachments they get have really, really good quality attachments, including, you know, crush-proof hoses, stainless steel 3-piece metal tubes with an adjustable piece, and a combo tool. Application-wise, these machines are good for any bare floor and any commercial carpet. Again, dry applications only. The reason these attachments are popular is because you get to do both types of surfaces without having to change floor heads. No wasting time. Really, an all-around great machine when it comes to being a commercial vacuum, but also being really, really, really good at filtration. Now I'm going to put some dirt on the floor and let's see how this works. I won't be surprised. They really do a good job. They're very quiet too. They're surprisingly quiet. As a matter of fact, they're quiet enough that someone could be on the phone talking while you vacuum. Let's do some on carpets. There's a reason I'm doing this. And some on bare floors. One of the reasons I'm doing that is because these things have edge-to-edge cleaning. That means you're not hitting this against corners and baseboards trying to get the corners clean. Ah, you see, before I even get to the dirt, it's picking it up, and we're good, done. Bare floors, edge-to-edge cleaning, best way possible. I could show this to you. Oh, look, I missed some. No, I didn't. You need to go under desks and, I don't know, pews at a church or chairs in a restaurant. No problem. It'll take care of it. Now, if you have any questions, if I missed anything, 1-877-220-5656 is our toll-free number. Feel free to give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email. We do ship these free of charge to all Canadian provinces. We are a Nacecare Numatic service and warranty center. We have a price match guarantee, a secured website, and all the good stuff for you to feel great. If you don't absolutely love your machine after you purchase it, 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. Thank you.